Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change UPVC door hinges. First, gather your essential tools, including a suitable screwdriver set, an Allen key, and your brand new replacement hinges. Safety is paramount, so ensure the door is either securely propped open or carefully removed from its frame. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as sturdy gloves and eye protection, to prevent any potential injuries during the process. Now, let's remove the old hinges. Begin by carefully prying off the hinge cover caps. These usually conceal the main fixing screws. Using the correct screwdriver, loosen and remove all the screws securing the hinge to both the door frame and the door itself. Once all screws are out, gently detach the old hinge components. You might need to wiggle them slightly to free them completely from their positions. With the old hinges removed, it's time to install the new ones. First, position the new hinge base plate onto the door frame, carefully aligning it with the existing screw holes. Secure it firmly using the new fixing screws provided with your hinge set. Next, attach the door side component of the hinge to the door itself, again ensuring precise alignment. Tighten these screws securely, but do not over-tighten them just yet. Finally, let's adjust and test your newly hinged door. Carefully rehang the door onto the new hinges, making sure it sits properly within the frame. Now, use an Allen key to make fine adjustments to the hinge screws. This allows you to achieve perfect door alignment and a snug fit. Open and close the door several times to test for smooth operation and ensure there is no sticking or rubbing. Your door should now operate flawlessly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.